Why is he looking like that? The fuck he look like he's sleepy. Holy shit. Oh shit. Shit just got real. What the fuck? What's going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Now, last week's episode, I did react to it, but I didn't record my reaction, so I kind of fucked that up. I apologize, but if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I do this shit every single week. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of this episode, man. And follow my new Twitter and subscribe to Bro's YouTube channel. I'll leave the links down in the description. And without further ado, let's get right into this episode. The Kariburus. Oh, these niggas eating on megalodons tonight. They feasting on the megalodons. My man's just filleted a megalodon. And they gonna use it as armor. And nobody ain't gonna have that shit. I think that this is exclusive. This shit is exclusive. Look at that, boiling that bitch up. Or pan frying it, something. Hope they had some seasoning for that shit. Oh, they got the seasoning. They got a little season. Oh shit. Choro Tempest Federation. And back to the baths we go. Oh, this time he's in their tub. Feel free to thank me more if you plan to become a demon lord. I'm about to say, what the fuck? What's wrong with her? Memory fucked up? Okay, she can't remember. he just covered up her body. More bath time. Oh, she's leaving? Thanks, she getting the fuck that fast. How easily she's manipulated. I'm too smart. Yeah, you can be free spirited as you want and nobody can whoop your ass, you know. Damn, they ran through that megalodon. How y'all know y'all niggas ain't gonna get sick? I guess they said it's a fish is a fish. Fuck it. Bro, I'm tired of the sadness, man. Stop getting me sad, bro. Stop with anime, man. Is he crying? Those tears? That's a first. Jesus. Still regret. And heck, even Gabiru. Oh, he's gonna go. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Ranga to the rescue. Damn, Ranga, I get the dash in this motherfucker. Ranga is fast as shit. Hold the fuck up. Nigga, how long? In the 2 years? He spent 2 years in this bitch? In just 3 days. That shit is so convenient, the fuck? That's the first time he's witnessing all these goddamn people. Man, that shit like a resort. Is that automatic doors? Oh my god. So modern. That elevator? Oh my goodness, it's better than the elevator. Dang, somebody gotta be strong as shit to be, you know, leading this nation. This mighty wealthy nation. Like, who the fuck are you? Grandmaster? Why did he look? Why did he? Oh, okay. He's not even gonna hide it. Okay. Fuck. Why is he looking like that? The fuck he look like he's sleepy. Holy shit. Oh shit. Shit just got real. What the fuck? Hey. Rimuru wasn't playing though. The nigga was on guard. Nigga, how old are you? 19. I don't understand what's going on here. Somebody explain in the comments, please. Oh yeah. I forgot. Okay. That's what he's saying. He's asking about games and mangas and animes and shit because he's a human. He got brought into this world. Wow, that's nice as shit. Dang, your memory have to be amazing. You know that? Damn. But what do you want here? Go back home. You fucking died. What do you mean go back home? That is impossible. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh. What the fuck? Nigga, look, that look like the school for mutants. Professor X teaching this motherfucker. Is he? Are we actually just gonna see him teaching kids? Damn, at the age of 15, goddamn. Oh yeah, he did mention that. I remember. Damn. They were summoned and they're 5 years? Have died within 5 years, bro? Shit, Rimuru might be able to change this shit. Oh shit, what the fuck? What is up with these kids? This nigga Rimuru thought they were on a deathbed or something. What the fuck is wrong with these kids? Kenya, Ryota, Gale. Nigga name is Gale or Alice, Chloe. Ain't no way I'm gonna remember all this shit. It was something with SHIZU'S. What the fuck? Why is Veldor acting like that? Nigga, what? It is depressing. What the hell? Do they know? Have they been told that they're gonna die? Oh man, that's kind of fucked up. Well, if you guys enjoyed this episode or this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I do this shit every single week. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of this episode, man. And check out my most recent videos as well. Follow my new Twitter and bro's YouTube channel. He does the anime reactions the same as me. Show some love. That's gonna be it, guys. This is the 3rd video of the day. More to come. That's it. I am going.